Hey everybody, we're going to go ahead and review the Hillcrest G865 today. This home is sold. It's going to be off the property in the next 30 days. So we wanted to make sure we got a review of this so we can get it out to you guys, so you're able to see this home and see all these really wonderful features that we've added into it. The outside on the front here is mainly standard except for these trap window packages with the single wide gable that we did over here on the side. The rest of this is very standard. The half porch, the hip roof, the double wide peak, all of that is included in a standard G865. You do not need to make any changes to make the majority of this look happen. And that's including the Trex decks and the black pickets on the porch. So if we go over to the side over here, we put the second of our 3 dormer packages in this home. It's the Nehalem Tower Dormer. It comes with a 46 by 96 window and 3 of them. Adds a lot of really beautiful visuals from the outside of this home. And then on the inside of this home, if you have a view on the property, it just gives you a beautiful view from inside your home out onto your land. So you can see over there, we have the Skyview Dormer actually. That is our 3rd option, but today we're obviously reviewing the Nehalem. On the rest of the side of this, we did the 50-50 lap board and bat exterior. Comes standard with the 12-inch eaves. But then what we did was add soffit lights along the entire side. That way, if this side is facing the driveway, when people are coming up to visit your property, you can turn on all those lights, really brighten up the exterior as they're driving up the road, heading to your house for the first time. So why don't we come on in? We'll get a quick view of the porch over here, and then we'll head inside. So we have a half porch coming again standard. It comes standard with the Trex and the black pickets. You can add on an 8-foot porch to this. So that would make this section 12 feet. And then it would wrap the porch around to the front in the dining room section. If you didn't do those trap windows over there, you could do a sliding glass door. You can do whatever you want to these homes. Our Skyline homes are custom. It's why everyone loves them. You put your own flair. We sit down, we spec it all out. And you get to build your own custom design home for your dream property. So why don't we head on inside? And then inside, you can really see all of the changes that we made. We have the interior side of the Nehalem dormer package. What that does is it puts in the tray ceiling. We added all of the lights, can lights into it. And then you have this huge view out to your property, wherever you are, where the Nehalem dormer window packages can show off the entire landscape. You know, wherever your view is, we can flip the home side to side, end to end. It doesn't matter. We can make it fit whatever the location of the property is. As you can see with the ceiling structure, it's very similar to that G860 that we did a video on a couple weeks ago. You have the cathedral ceilings throughout, but then we have the high flats in both the kitchen dining room and in the living room to really lift that ceiling up, give yourself a lot of space. This home is 1,600 square feet, but definitely feels a lot bigger when you do those taller ceilings. In the kitchen, we did the Katopia kitchen package as well with the quartz countertops. We have the luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. In the kitchen, you can see all of those bonus features that we've had in previous homes. The microwave pantry, full-size refrigerator, TV near a sink, single bowl farm-style sink with the Euro-style hood. These shelves right here, we get a lot of feedback. Some people like them, some people don't. In the Katopia options, we do have an overhead option substitute for these cabinets. So if you don't like the shelves, we can do overheads that match the style. That's obviously a great option depending on your flavor. And then in this dining room, we have that interior trap window view. You have all of this ceiling structure above the dining room. This is not your grandma's trailer. This is a very custom designed home here from Skyline Homes. And you can see all of this different natural light that we've created in this home. This is a custom design that we've put together. We've designed this many times for property, so we knew what we wanted to throw in here. And then the final feature is this massive island at 117 inches. That is as big as the factory can make it. And we have that designed. It comes standard in the G865 Catopia package. Should you like the 117 inches, but you're going to go for a different floor plan, that's fine. We can make those custom changes with the factory and tell them exactly what you're looking for. So something to note. We'll head on back. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. We have the first bedroom set up as an office. It has a really nice 45-degree angle with the double French doors that we added in. French doors can come in glass, they can come in T-panel, always with the lever handles. That is your choice. This can be the bedroom or the office, however you want to design it. We have a really nice angled hallway as well, so it feels like it flows back to a different section of the home. Utility rooms on this side, available with enough space for washer, dryer, and a utility sink on the side. You can do the overhead cabinets, you can do the stackable, you can put water softeners. There's a lot of space in this utility room for you to design it how you want as a mud room for coming in from an attached garage. It's your choice. You just let us know. Back in the hallway, we have the guest bath with also bedroom number 2 over here. These are obviously very simple. We can do walk-in showers in there if you need, overhead cabinets if you need. We have all of the style. You know, this is obviously a part of the house where you're not making a lot of changes, but if you have specific needs, you let us know and we can make those adjustments. And then you come into the master bedroom. You can see the ceiling structure. We have the cathedral that we talked about earlier all the way throughout the house. We have can lights that we added extras, full walk-in closet with wood shelving. Again, another thing that we can change, we can move shelves around, we can do more shelves. You just let us know. We'll design the home how you want it. Same thing with these windows as a side note. And then finally, we're into the 4x6 shower package. This is one of our 2 glamour bath package upgrades you've seen in previous videos, freestanding tub. This one comes with a 4x6 shower. What you're seeing right here is the Cortex tile shower. We can do tile shower, we can do walk-in showers, fiberglass. This little section right over here you see is perfect where we can actually do a toilet cabinet as well. So that's totally fine. You want to close that off, you want to put a door, we can make that happen. And then just on the back side of this door, there's an additional linen closet for storage and whatever you need it for. So lots of designs here. Change the vanities, change the mirrors, change the style of the shower. You know, you just let us know and we can make all those custom changes in your future home, your dream property. And we look forward to seeing you out here. Stop on by anytime, any day of the week, 9 to 6. We're always open. Look forward to seeing you.